Google is investing 1 gigawatt data center and AI center with $15 billion. This is the biggest investment after economic reforms. That is the biggest foreign direct investment is coming to Andhra Pradesh. That is one more development. Now in Andhra Pradesh, not only just one or two, because of confidence, RCR Mitaliza coming in a big way, more than 1 lakh crores investment. That is the steel city. And also our HPCL is spending 1 lakh crores for refinery. And also NTPC is spending in a big way and government of Andhra Pradesh for green hydrogen. You name anything, all big investments. Our President as CA, President has rightly mentioned, last 9 months, 25.3% of India's investment has come to Andhra Pradesh, one state. That is our credibility. That is how we are working in Andhra Pradesh to attract investment.